This week in our Get Ahead series, we're talking about upgrading your career, maybe going from a bartender to writing code for phone apps.
It may sound difficult, but as KGW's Nina Melhoff shows us, a program in Portland is helping women and minorities break into the tech industry.
All her life, Amber Stevens has either been a waitress, bartender, or house cleaner. It's been a struggle for the single mom.
Can I please just get a chai latte again?
Her highest grossing salary, she estimates, at $14,000.
All right, thank you.
She wanted a change. Instead of being the one to make the coffee and bring you the food,
Thank you.
she was approached by a nonprofit to learn how to make apps that could deliver food.
I'm learning PHP programming, the PHP programming language. It stands for hypertext preprocessing. If you've ever used anything where you had to fill out a form and submit it or enter your information anywhere, you've probably used PHP programming, so without knowing it.
It all started when Amber went to nonprofit Dress for Success to find interview clothes to look for another hospitality job. That's when they told her about a new partnership with Treehouse, a Portland software coding school.
Right now, Portland is, in many cases, thriving. There's just this boom, technology happening, but communities were being left behind. So the idea is that employers need talent, they need folks that can fill those roles, and communities need jobs.
Particularly women and minorities.
This is like a code that I actually wrote myself right here.
Amber made it through the screening process and is now part of a group of women going through 7 months of online courses paid for by a tech company who promises to then hire all successful graduates once they're done. Her starting salary would be $50,000.
It's exciting, I'm a little bit older. I'm approaching 40 now, you know what I mean? So I kind of feel I think a lot of women my age feel like maybe it's too late for them to learn in life, you know what I mean? So to have this whole new opportunity where and I'm doing it, it's not just talking about doing, I'm actually doing it. It's very exciting.
While the schooling is free through the Talent Path program, Amber isn't getting paid yet, so she's working on the side.
The best that could happen is that I could complete it, and this could open up a whole new door and a whole new opportunity for me in my life, so it's very exciting.
It's a chance at a job she could have only dreamed about, and it gets one more woman's foot in the door in a male-dominated industry.
You get women, you get people of color, you get diversity into tech, and all of our lives are going to improve because it's been proven the more diverse your workforce, the better product that you develop.
In Portland, Nina Melhoff, KGW News.
And KGW is teaming up with WorkSource to help your job search go a bit easier.
Head to Beaverton later this month for a job fair to help you find the career you want. You can get more information at kgw.com/getahead.